Hello friends, I am Neha and welcome to my channel Zingful Life. Friends, today I am going to review my Bosch fully automatic front loader 7 kg 1200 rpm washing machine. I have been using this machine for last 3 years and believe me, I have not yet faced any glitch or difficulty with this machine. No qualms and complaints as such for this product. Now let's have a look at some of its technical features. Here this machine has a drying process indicator with LED display. Let's have a look. So this is the LED display. It also has a digital countdown indicator. This is the digital countdown indicator so that you could have a track of the time required and time remaining for a wash cycle. I would also like to tell you that the maximum RPM, that is the rotation per minute, or you can say the spin cycle or the spin speed, is around 1200 RPM. Due to such a high speed RPM, the clothes come out very well drained. Friends, it also has a feature of Speed Plus that reduces the wash cycle by up to 65% while achieving the same perfect cleaning results. It also has a pressure sensor that detects half loads and cuts the water intake to half. It also has anti-vibration side panels that reduces the vibrations and ensure greater stability during the washing and spinning process. Well, guess what? It has a very crucial feature for us. Remember the time when you load all the garments in the machine and start it? And then in the middle of the washing cycle you say, "Oh, there is still some space and I forgot this garment. Now what?" So in this machine, a reload function has been provided to pause the operation for adding that one more forgotten garment of yours. You just have to press the reload button. The drum will get opened up and then you can add the garment and then again press the start button. It's as simple as that. Now this is the programming section. First we have a 15 minutes wash. So let me start the machine. I have set the program to 15 minutes and then I can adjust the RPM from here and then you can press the start button and the machine will get started. We have refresh, then is gentle wash, allergy plus, kids wear, drum clean, rinse option, and then onto this side we have a cold wash and heat wash at temperature of 40 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Celsius, that is super clean, 30 degree for synthetics, daily wash, and for delicates or silk, and then for the wool. We also have a spin and drain function. So this is your detergent drawer and in the first socket you can put in the detergent powder or detergent liquid, and in the second socket you can just add in the cloth conditioners like Easy, or maybe you can use Vanish also. This machine also has a coin collector right here. If by chance you forgot to check in the pockets of any garment and it has a coin and it got washed along with the garment, then it will not affect the motor of the machine. It will directly get collected in the coin collector and later on you can just take it out from that coin collector section. Friends, I would also like to mention that the front loader is comparatively a better option than the top loader. Why? Firstly, because the front loader are much more energy and water efficient, as it uses tumble technology to wash the clothes. Secondly, it uses less detergent and up to 50% less water in comparison to the top loaders. Thirdly, it is much gentler on the clothes. And lastly, they are also better at cleaning hard to remove stains. So quite valid reasons to go for front loader in comparison to a top loader. Then I would also like to mention that Bosch is providing 10 years of warranty on its motors, and let me tell you one thing, that Bosch is one of the leading contenders in the motor market. So there is no doubt regarding the sturdiness and quality of the machine's motor. And last but not the least, I would like to add one more spectacular feature of this machine, that is the hot water wash. We have 3 temperature ranges, that is 30 degree, 40 degree and 60 degree. 40 degrees for kids wear and 60 degrees for super cleaning. And of course, no mention is required to the fact that hot water kills germs more effectively. So your clothes will come out real clean. This machine also has a child lock system. You can just use this function to lock the machine while it's doing the washing, and thus avoid any mishandling of programming by the children. So friends, I have summed up all the features and points regarding Bosch 7 kgs front loader. All in all, I am very much satisfied with it and hope you like my video. If yes, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and do tell your queries and experience regarding this video in the comment section. Thank you, bye bye and take care.